السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. A warm good afternoon to one and all. Today, in this auspicious occasion of Excellencia, I would like to speak about something innovative, not actually innovative, but something that makes things innovative. Yeah, you're right, guys. We are going to speak about AI or artificial intelligence. Speaking about artificial intelligence, my topic is AI and the future of education. So, first of all, when we think of the future, first thing that comes to our minds are, like flying cars and robots and such things like that. Actually, they're all dreams and something like that. But actually, the definition of future and AI is machines that, think like human, that work like human, that make decisions like human, and which is similar to human and also see aspects of human. And maybe someone from the outside would actually think it's a human, but it's not. It's artificial intelligence. How great, right? So, that's the common definition of AI. But let's look at the aspects of education in our nowadays. So, if you look at the education, we can understand that education is just spoon feeding in nowadays in our schools and educational institutions. If you look at educations, we see that something that is memorized by teachers and that is fed up to students, and they read that for exams and score marks. But such things are going to change because AI has been imparted to our circulations and circles. So if AI changes our lives by education, it's a great thing. If we for example, imagine a class which AI is imparted. If we think of normal teachers, we can understand that teachers always handle 40 students by formally. They won't make sure that every student speaks, every student writes, every student do their own work, their own homeworks and etc. But coming to AI, we could understand that AI analyzes every single student. If the student prefers reading, the AI gives him a module that is good for reading. And if the student likes videos, the AI gives videos that is useful to him. And if the student likes games, AI gives him games, means games that is useful to his education. And on, we can understand that AI will be a useful enhancement for our teachers. But from going through and through, we can understand that AI would maybe, substitute or replace our teacher. But that's completely wrong, absolutely wrong. Yeah, I'm not denying that. It's completely wrong. You know why? Because AI would never come at the value of a teacher, at the value of an institution which changes our lives with moral values and values to the life, etc. But AI, which doesn't have a heart, will not impart something like that to our lives and our, from now on lives. So, the misunderstanding that AI from the future generation will always change us and substitute the teachers is a wrong identification. So, to conclude, we say that AI just is a studying partner or a life partner, not life partner, just a helping partner to our social life and social works. In the future, the AI shows the researchers show that AI doesn't matter with versing with humans, but it is always mattering with working with humans. So the future will be completely enhanced and enlightened with the joy of AI, and the human beings will be more peak with technology, and one of the main problems with this is that AI would make our new generation more, you know, more lazy, and they would be lonely and such like that. And it is a very good challenge for our new generation. So to conclude that, like I said, we should not create AI versus human, but we should create what? We should create AI with humans. We should accompany with AI and enhance to a higher level. By saying this, I'm concluding. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم.